We'll guide you through how to obtain your Claude API key. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Claude website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. You should see a menu on the left side of the screen. Find the section labeled API Access and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your API keys. If you haven't created an API key yet, look for a button that says Generate New Key or something similar. Click it to generate a new API key. You may be prompted to name the key or choose specific permissions for it. Make sure to choose the options that best fit your needs. After generating the key, it will appear in a list on the same page. Make sure to copy this key and store it somewhere secure, as you may not be able to view it again. It's a good idea to test your API key to ensure it's working correctly. You can usually do this through the API documentation section, where you can find sample requests and responses. Follow the instructions there to test your key. If you run into any issues, ensure you've copied the key correctly and that your permissions are set as needed. Remember that sharing your API key with others can compromise your account's security, so keep it confidential. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.